Hey, what's up, you guys? Okay, he's gonna play the fucking game now, I guess.
I fucking
So,
hate you. Just fucking start already. Now, can you guys just calm the fuck down, okay? Alright. Yes, I have a girlfriend. Okay? I'm not a simp. It just happened, okay? Not my fault. Second, yeah, I'm fucking awesome. Alright, back to the video, bitches.
okay, new game. Let's go. Woo. So, welcome to St. Pigeon Nations. Please enter your name. Okay, what should our name be?
Son of
Ew, what's this weeb shit?
Son of son.
Why don't we just do a funny name, you know? Fine, Sunny. What is this weeb shit? Last name. Weeb? Ween,
Ween works. Ween works.
Okay, yo, Ween is fine.
Okay, let's send it out anyways.
It's Sunny Ween, okay?
I'm gonna go shoot.
Why is this so funny? Yeah, I think Sunny Ween is fine, right? Yeah?
No.
No? I don't care, I like it. Wow, isn't that fun? A fucking powerful visualization module. Let's go. Display human portraits? Yeah.
I'm gonna get banned for this.
This is gonna be so fun, Jameson. Okay, should I narrate or?
Go for it. That makes more interesting content.
Okay, St. Pigeon Nations, a school blessed with extensive curricula and facilities. It's already been a year since I ended my ordinary life and walked through these gates. I should probably say the school is known for one thing in particular. This school is Japan. No, the world's greatest gathering place for gifted birds. Birds who want to study the arts, the sciences, even sports all come to St. Pigeon Nations. The teaching staff and student body are made up of a diverse blend of birds of different backgrounds and species. I'm often asked why I chose to come here, despite not being a bird. It's a long story. Okay, you can voice this fucking random person.
I don't want to voice it.
Why don't you voice question mark, question mark, question mark?
I really don't want a voice of character.
Why?
Hatoful. I don't even fucking know.
Fine, whatever. I guess I'll do all the voices and you can sit.
I'll do this one.
Okay.
Every day I see you rushing around like that, boy.
Okay. Oh shit! There's a bird!
It's a fucking pigeon! You're gonna fuck the pigeon! Why are you gonna fuck the pigeon? Sonny, why are you trying to fuck the pigeon?
I don't know. It's a pigeon named.
He's just a poor bird.
It's a pigeon named Ryota. Okay. Usually you'd have been ready for an hour by now, Sonny. Overslept. Oh shit, he's a weeb too.
God, I wanna die.
This rock dove is named Kawara Ryota. We've been friends since he was barely hatched. Wow, that's a fucking new phrase, isn't it?
Yep.
Liam's your fucking childhood friend, right? You've been friends since you were both barely hatched.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh shit. Okay. He can be a little mischievous, but he's responsible and kind. Oh, that sounds like you. Breakfast was a little hard to catch today. I can't relax without red meat inside. Okay. You're right. I don't think this was a good name. Living as a hunter-gatherer sounds tough. I'd be happy to make you breakfast, you know? I might take you up on that offer when starvation moves. Thanks, Ryota. Wait, does she just fucking starve every once in a while? She makes it sound really casual. Like, yeah, when I'm about to starve to fucking death, I guess you can give me breakfast. Oh, the bell already. Come on, we need to hurry to class. Jeepers! No good being late on the first day. Jeepers. Jeepers. So how the fuck does a bird pull you into school? It doesn't have hands. I guess like the feet, I guess. Today is the start of a new. I wonder what lies in store. It was all I could do to adjust to the atmosphere last year. Better make up for all that lost fun. Everybody. I'm Nanaki Kazuaki. I seem to be your teacher this year. I specialize in math and physics and also some other things. Yeah, real fucking professional, dude.
Ew. Oh god, they actually did shit like that.
Sir, wake up, it's homeroom. He sleeps with his eyes open? Oh shit, that's really weird. Oh my god, look, he's a white guy!
God damn it, Sonny.
He looks like my ex-boyfriend. Oh shit! Is this my ex as a bird? That's crazy. Okay, the quail. Ooh, he's a quail. Is Nanaki Kazuaki. He's a famously. How the fuck do you say this? Soporific math professor. I'd heard the rumors, but I hadn't expected him to fall asleep just like that. How quirky.
Fuck, ow.
What'd you do, Jameson?
I got hot cheese on myself.
Oh, poor thing. Apparently he's a well-known mathematician, just no blah blah blah, whatever. I'm sorry, isn't it a little warm in here? Which reminds me, we have a transfer student. Please introduce yourself, Shirogane. Oh my god, look at this bird. Ooh, okay, this one needs like an asshole voice. Okay, what's the most asshole-ish accent?
What's the point, Wilfred? I have no wish to speak with commoners. Do not think I'm here because I wish to be.
Oh well, I guess that's that. Hey, that's no good. Oh wait, doesn't he have a fucking southern accent? How do I do a southern accent? But he doesn't want to introduce himself. But we can't just let him break the rules like that, sir. The system will collapse and we'll all turn into kulaks and dissenters. What? Yeah, because that's how it fucking works. I don't introduce myself at school. Next day, government gone. Fuck is a kulak? Well, when you put it...
I probably just need to add an intro and outro and we have a full ass fucking video.
Well, when you put it like that...
Guys, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. This is basically just gonna be a really fucking long video.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun though, I hope. Oh god, it might be really
Oh,
trash and boring.
yes.
But at least we have the experience. Well, when you put it like that, could you at least say your name, Shirogane? Well, you just said his fucking name, you idiot. God. James, it's your turn. Stay silent.
How are you funnier than me?
Okay. Oh, it's a French accent. Do the French voice.
Sakuya.
Apparently it's a French accent and you have to do a French one. What does Liam sound like then? Oh my god, there's another white guy! Oh!
Okay, no, this is a problem I have with all anime. Why does it look like the British Empire invaded Japan?
Oh shit, it does.
I mean, and the same thing with pretty much every movie that takes place in space. I mean, I'm just saying, the sun never sets. The sun never sets. Boy.
It seems this fantail is Shirogane Sakuya. His feathers would make any birdie proud. He's pretty stuck up, but then transferring is never easy. I hope we can be friends. Sakuya sits down, glaring daggers at Ryota and me. I think this little bird is telling me there's gonna be trouble down the line. Shit, which bird are we gonna fuck?
Now when you put it like that...
Lunch already? The day is slipping by so quickly. That reminds me, I've had these books out from the library all summer. Nerd! I'll return them now. Fuck borrows library books for the summer. Ew.
Maybe borrow them for a couple days. That's...
Yeah. This bitch better be banned from the library. Like, the fucking librarian's about to tackle her. Okay. Where is everyone? Aside from the receptionist, there's hardly any birdie here.
Huh? Oh god, I fucking hate that. It's just anybody, it's not like...
Oh god damn it! No, we're recording! You know what? No, you can join us. Why the fuck not, you know? James, is that a problem?
Yeah, Alex, you're welcome in here. You're like a bird.
Introduce yourself, Alex. Introduce yourself to the fucking video or something.
They already know. They've seen my streams. They know who Alex is.
Sure. Alright. Is someone looking at me? Probably just my imagination. Oh wait, Alex, you can do some of the narration. Oh, this is the Liam bird. This is what I was talking about. It's a Liam bird. Okay, now you have to do Liam's accent for this. Okay. Or not. A mourning dove stands in a dark corner, staring in my direction. Mourning doves aren't very common in Japan, but apparently they're everywhere in America. Colonization, America. Am I right?
Fuck yeah!
USA! USA! Okay.
You're not even from the US, you fucking...
Shut up! Did you want something from me? Okay, it's the bird named Nagaki. Who's gonna be Nagaki?
What happened?
Alex?
What happened in Minecraft?
Just some stuff went down. That's about it.
Okay, who wants to be Liam Bird's voice? This one has this.
Hey, I'm Liam Bird.
Okay.
Shots fired.
Okay. You have to be silent and loud at the same time. Do a very concerned silence. Sure, okay. He looked away. Wait, no, I'm supposed to think that. Thought it.
Not really.
Why are you trying to sound like you're fucking seducing me?
That's his goal. That's his end game.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it was him who I felt looking at me. There's no one else here. Well, duh fucking doy, who else would it be, you dumbass? Are you sure?
Yes, I don't want anything to do with you. I don't want anything with you.
God, that sounds like Liam. Oh.
It's the things you're carrying that I'm interested in.
That sounds very harassy, but okay. He glances at the desk as if to say, hurry up and return them already. Nerd. Oh, sorry. They were a little too dense and I never finished them. Holy shit, why does that sound like me? Were you waiting for them all summer? Good
Possibly.
line. He silently returns his gaze to his book. Maybe he's in a bad mood.
I'm wean, Sunny.
A sophomore. What about you? Oh, you're a sophomore, aren't you, Jameson? Twinsies. I'm wean. Silence.
Yep.
You're.
Nagiki. Fujishiro. I played fucking Yokai Watch. I should have all these fucking Japanese names down.
Yeah, you know what? They can fucking read. Whatever. Freshman.
Fresh nerd.
Nice one. Oh, look at his stunning green hair. Isn't that gorgeous? What an absolutely stunning bird.
It's like a school shooter.
Fujishiro Nagaki. Huh. Mourning doves are pretty rare in Japan. USA. Maybe it's just his voice, but he seems kind of sad. Delete the line.
Welcome to America, baby!
That's not the one!
Hey, it said.
Oh, you gotta leave him alone, like he says.
Okay, leave me alone. Bye. He's reading his book again. Nerd. Okay, sorry to bother you.
What a bitch.
I keep meeting depressing people today.
Gross. I guess that's just how you are, Sonny. You just like depressing people.
Oh shit. Okay, now that I have that out of the way, I think I'll head back to class. Wait, isn't that... Oh shit, look at this Chad bird. He's like fucking 1 whole foot taller than this baby.
You should have been instructed not to approach me at school.
Are these supremacist birds?
Huh?
Are these supremacist birds?
Probably, yeah. Wait.
Jesus fucking Christ, Sonny. That wasn't very
I'm
ladylike.
gonna have a cute sneeze today.
That wasn't very ladylike.
Whatever. Okay, there's Yuya now. Okay, you know what, Alex? You can be Yuya.
I think he's.
Wait,
Okay, read the fucking line.
Alright. Come on, Sakuya. What kind of thing is that to say to your own brother? After all these years.
Wow. I love the monotony.
My brother, you must be joking. You've never once been a brother to me.
My brother, you must be joking.
You're fucking birds, bro.
You never.
Are they gay?
Ooh, no, bitch, they're brothers.
I mean, again, are they gay?
Super Smash Brothers.
I don't watch that.
Holy fuck.
Holy shit. Okay. Oh no. No one wants to read
Oh,
this
another
one, huh?
Now they're racist, okay.
Please don't try to talk to me again. I have no time for half-breeds. I'll be going now.
They are supremacists.
Oh,
That's a white supremacist bird. Yep.
So it's a white kid and his mixed-race brother. That's so sad. Hey, wait, just, okay, he's just fucking invisibility jutsu'd out then. I guess even if we're in the same school now, what's done is done. I hadn't meant to eavesdrop, but I think I just overheard something juicy.
Something racist. It's so racist, dude.
The ever-popular trendsetter and ladies' man, Sakazaki Yuya, is Sakuya's brother. Oh my god, I was right. This is a Chad bird. Ooh. Should we date the Chad?
I still don't like him. No.
The Chad? The mixed race Chad? I bet it's because he's mixed,
No.
isn't he?
No, you don't want to have braids.
Jameson, cover your ears.
Okay.
Oh, wait, sure.
Oh well, okay. Let's just continue. This is awkward now. I wonder what the story behind that is. Okay, who wants to voice the half-breed though? No one?
Question is, how'd you find this?
I just did. I thought it'd be fun.
I purchased it.
You know what, Jameson? Why don't you be both the white supremacist and the mixed race person?
I'd rather not.
Fine, I'll be the mixed race person then.
That's racist.
Fine, you be the mixed race person then.
I don't want to remind myself of how much of an abomination I am.
No, but this one's a Chad, remember? He's super tall and a Chad. He's basically you as a bird. Except I don't think you have a white supremacist brother.
He has a nickname called Big Bird.
Yeah, sure, you want to be Big Bird?
Actually, Big Bird is a white supremacist.
Just say hey, okay? That's all you have to say. Damn.
Hey.
I get to say like, hey.
Okay, I gotta be concerned.
Hey.
Oh. Exclamation mark. Okay, fine, I
Oh,
guess
that's
I'll...
stupid.
Right. Are you friends with Sakuya?
Sure, that's good enough. I think it's Sakia, right? Like Sakuya. Whatever. I'm sorry. Like, I didn't mean to listen in on you. Huh? No sweat. You're doing the fuckboy voice. Don't worry, you're really hot. No sweat.
Just a JPEG of a pigeon.
No sweat.
Oh no.
I try to say sexy and suave in front of all you little ladies, but that there wasn't too cool.
This kid's gonna die in the future. I can almost guarantee it.
Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that Chad. Wow. How does he look the exact same as his brother? He doesn't look mixed race, he just looks white.
What's that in his hair?
I think it's like a hair clip. Damn. This rancho pigeon is Sakazaki Yuya, an upperclassman.
It looks like a
I've never
sidekick.
talked I've never talked to him before, but he's famous or infamous at the school. Every birdie knows of him. You're Sunny, right? How did you... I know every birdie here. Besides, you're the only human. A single poppy in a field of rye. Ew! Whatever. Did you say you're a friend of Sakuya's? Not exactly. We had a rather ballistic introduction this morning. We're in the same class. That's all. Period. I never have thought that stuck-up aristocrat wannabe was your brother. Wow, that was rude. Oh wait, am I literally just gonna read all of this shit and you're just gonna sit there? It's gonna be my video?
It's free content.
Whatever. Fine. I guess it's just... Okay. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is my video now. Jameson's gone and fucked off somewhere.
Yeah, he died, so... Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm his replacement.
Alex is just kind of here too. He can hang out, I guess. Aristocrat wannabe? What the another fuckboy noise other than... He is an aristocrat, actually. The article in the flesh. He is? He's a bit of pain, so good luck, mon ami. How the fuck do you say that? Adios? Sure, that's good enough.
Adieu? Is that French?
Whatever, we can ask Liam about it later. He really is a noble bird. I've never heard anything like that about Yuya, though. Probably a twisty business. Ooh. Dun, dun. That's all for today. Stay safe, everyone. Yay!
Ew.
Huh?
This bird looks like it's been through some stuff.
The human profile for this bird, it looks like my ex. Oh, I didn't tell you that, did I?
No.
Sir, where's Ryota?
Don't tell that story, please. Not my Judo.
He said he was going to the infirmary. Maybe you should go and see if he's still there. Alright. Now that I think about it, Ryota always did have a weak stomach. What a fucking virgin. I should go to the infirmary just to make sure he's okay.
Just go home.
Why the fuck is there like poison? Like on the fucking shelf. Like the second thing of medicine is literally just like
no,
a skull.
That was 100% intentional.
I mean, if you
There's no way they didn't intentionally put that there.
If you really don't want to treat the patient, just
Just fucking, you know what? They can't be
drip in
sick
there.
if they're dead. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay, you can be the ambient noise, Jameson.
Ooh.
Nice one.
put some
Nobody's
music in the
here.
background.
There's no one sleeping behind the curtains, and the doctor isn't here either. My hunter-gatherer instincts feels no presence. God, why does it sound like the most fucking incel shit? My hunter-gatherer instinct. There's nobody here. Ryota? No reply. The infirmary is empty. Period. Weird. Did he go home already? I feel a little nervous poking around the empty room. Now that I think of it, I haven't been here much before. Unlike Ryota, I'm perfectly healthy. Whoa, they've got all kinds of drugs in here. They got the fucking meth, they got cocaine, they got weed. Yeah, they got the good. And all kinds.
I want to go to this hospital.
They got that black tar heroin. You know they got that shit.
Oh, God.
Got all kinds of shit injecting their veins.
Ethylpar,
prescriptions,
glyphate, luciobenzene. What do these even do? It's just...
Some of those they just found behind the shelf and just recommended to people.
Care to find out? Oh my god, that's a thick bird. The doctor?
That
so dumb.
That boy was eating good. A little chunky.
He's like a thick bird.
He'd be a little chunky, though.
See, this guy, he injected some shit into his veins. That's what happened.
What? I'll feed you all sorts of things if you want. Why the fuck is every bird here trying to fuck this girl? Jesus.
It's mating season. How would they not?
I think they use female pronouns, I guess. No, thank you.
At least this guy was honest.
Ooh, he has a fucking ponytail.
This no.
Partridge is Iwamine Shu, the school doctor, and the fucking school rapist, apparently. What the fuck was that? He's rather creepy in person, and has a bad... I'm sorry. You can fucking cut that out. It's fine.
He does look like the guy who'll be selling stuff in the black market.
God, he does. He's rather creepy in person and has a bad reputation amongst the student body. Every birdie knows that even just talking to him can bring you down with aspergillus, psittacosis, even worse things. What, he just gives you diseases? What is this? Okay, sure. And I've never heard him come in the door. Ninja doctor?
Ooh.
Ew! Okay, ninja doctor. You don't look like you have a good reason to be in here. Do you need something? I heard Ryota Hawara from 2-3 was supposed to be here. He's already gone. What's a creepy voice? How do you do a creepy voice? Why didn't you come find me before going home? Just sorry to bother you. I'll be going now. Okay,
Just
bye.
whisper.
Oh, just whisper? Ah, finally out of that den of evil. Ryota's already home. What do I do now? Oh,
She liked
never
it.
got
I
around
can't
to
lie.
joining a club last year. You know you could just go home, right? Like, it's not a big deal. Whatever.
That didn't scare me.
Maybe I'll go look at some of my options. There's clubs for baseball, soccer, track, kendo, migration.
Immigration? Go there right now.
A fucking immigration club?
Go, I dare you.
Hey kids, let's learn how to fucking immigrate to the U.S. Bird watching.
Just go there and document it, you'll be fine.
This is like a world where everyone's a bird. Bird watching would be the human equivalent of just like sitting in a park and staring at people with binoculars.
Yeah.
Do you think there's bird and human relationships?
You're like the only human in the school apparently. And how do you do baseball as a bird? That makes no sense.
I
Just
mean, the Orioles still play, but and the Blue Jays.
nice one, Jameson. Nice migration club. Let's learn how to fucking immigrate to Canada, boys.
Jesus, I would immigrate to Canada for $100.
Here's how you get
Immigrate
a
to
green
Iran.
card. Wasn't there another one? Anyway, I'll start with the track team. I ran in middle school, and it's always funny watching the birds hop around. Oh my god, do you know, like, there's a proper bird sport? Where, like, God, okay, I'm gonna go off on a tangent. Like, apparently there's, like, a bird sport, like a hobby, where basically you have this certain type of pigeon or dove, right? And you build
Yeah.
this house, and the goal is you try to breed the most hot Chad birds as possible, and the goal is to, like, use those hot Chad birds to lure, like, wild birds, or even, like, your competitors' birds, and you trap them in your house. So, like, bird trapping is a hobby, I guess, where you fucking get
Who
hot
thought of
birds.
this?
I don't know, but it's a big thing. And also, there's another bird hobby where it's like bird rolling, where you just take a bird and you kind of like throw it like a bowling ball, and you have to see how long it can like just roll on the ground for. So that's fun.
Grab some poor chunky bird and just roll it down.
Literally, it's the goofiest fucking shit. Jameson, editing Jameson, can you include a clip of like bird rolling here, just somewhere? You know? It's just a fucking clip whilst they talk about it.
Going. You're making me free content, okay? That's all.
Okay, yeah. It's always funny watching the birds hop around. Okay. I think their club room is on the ground floor, off to the side. Their club room is the fucking track field, dumb bitch. Whatever. A white dove is having a tantrum outside. Cuckoo! This is no pudding
Did
for
you
a
get
man.
slapped?
No, I think he's so angry that he shook the earth. Cuckoo! This is no pudding for a man. Coo! Okasan rejects it. It is a lie. A vicious falsification. He's dancing around on the squished pudding.
I don't think
Hey, that's
pudding,
not
bro.
very. Hey, that's not very nice. The pudding.
That's not very ladylike.
Oh shit! He's an actual bird.
What a fucking nerd.
Nerd bird.
This is Oko-san. He doesn't really look it, but supposedly he's a fantail pigeon. I think. Either way, he's hyper. Okay, I guess
No, he
that's
just
one
went-
fact about him.
Nah, he just been to that doctor's office. That's why.
Alright, he just has a fucking case of the 10 diseases the doctor gave him, I guess.
He came
Cool!
with corona, but I doubt it.
Oh wait, he's supposed to be like a Chad athlete bird, I think. Okay, I'll give him a Chad. Cool! Oko-san has suffered a deception most vile, a wretched betrayal. Betrayal? Oko-san instructed that pudding be provided for new members. Cool.
Are we
This
gonna
is
meet
no
an
pudding.
anti-vax bird?
I don't fucking know. ousted, scorned, betrayed, dragged into the street, and shot by those he trusted most. What? This is all about pudding. This is so fucking dramatic. Like, okay. It's squished and filthy, but the thing under his feet looks like normal store-bought pudding. What's wrong with it? Cuckoo. Spare the jest, young lady. Okusan used wing attack. It's super effective. Well, alright then.
So this is Pokemon
Damn.
now. Okay, whatever.
You just hit up assaulted that person.
On the pudding?
Oh,
Cool.
it's already like 40
They'll-
minutes.
They'll rue the day they cross Oko-san. He'll have them flayed, hanged, shot at dawn he will. What, the fucking pudding
So it's gonna be a
people?
gang
The
war?
fucking capitalists, I guess?
It's gonna be a
Okay.
gang war.
Oh, okay, with the pudding? Sure.
Yeah. It's hard as shit in these streets, you know?
Cool. Oko-san must train to achieve true pudding. Farewell. Did he fly away? Did you hear that fucking jet sound effect? He just flew away.
Damn. It must have given that
Okay.
good shit.
Sure, alright. And he's gone. He's a good runner, but what does pudding have to do with the track team?
It's not pudding, I'm
does it
telling
have
you.
to- Yeah, the fake pudding, you know? And so ended the first day of my second semester at St. Pigidations. I thought it was first oh wait, no. God, I'm dumb. Kazuaki.
Alright.
Oh, are you voicing him? Sure.
This is a good place to stop, honestly.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, like it's 40 fucking minutes of a video that I have to edit.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll load the save file then.
Alright. I'll see you.
Oh no, I'm skipping through it! Oh shit!
What are you doing?
Okay, just save right now, okay?
Okay, I already saved it. I'll go to the title. I didn't read anything because I skipped through it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure not to be fucking simps like me. Alright. Bye.
Okay.
Got him.
Like and subscribe, losers.
Fuck yeah, she gets it. Bye. Fucking simps.
Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like